Walgreens is under fire after the phrase #BanWalgreens started circulating after shoppers claim they were unable to buy condoms or pick up their birth control pills. Channel 8's Ariana Martinez spoke to healthcare specialists here locally to see what your options are.
After a TikTok of a woman went viral after she says she was denied her birth control pills from a Walgreens pharmacy due to the pharmacist's beliefs, I spoke with an area pharmacist as well as a women's health specialist to see what your options are if you run into the same issue and what the ethics are behind it.
Whatever you do, you got to do what is best for the patient. After that, they allow for your faith to come into play, but they also will encourage you when your faith comes into play, if you are asked to do something you don't necessarily want to do or you're on the fence, then maybe find a colleague who can step in for you.
A woman can always have her prescriber transfer her prescription to another pharmacy or look into a newer option.
So sometimes the mail order pharmacies are more convenient for patients because it's delivered to them. They don't have to worry about going to the pharmacy and not having refills available because that mail order pharmacy kind of already requests those refills to their provider, and then it's just a matter of waiting in the mail for it.
The nurse practitioner said there is a way to avoid having to go to the pharmacy every month for your prescription.
There are other long-acting birth control options available to patients, especially if they're maybe concerned that refilling their prescription in the future may be an issue.
Right now, women should be able to freely access contraceptives.
I just encourage women, to advocate for themselves. As a provider, I'm always advocating for my patients, just trying to make sure that they get the best healthcare services that they need. And if they ever have questions, they can come to Trillion.
Pharmacists across the nation do have the right to refuse to give a client something they do not believe in, but they must also find someone to take care of the client.
I just understand both sides of the issue. Body of believers in faith that really believe strongly in the not having the birth control pills, but so I think we honor that, but we also take care of the client.
To be clear, there have been no reports of this happening at any of the Walgreens in Nebraska. We did reach out to Walgreens corporate for a comment, but have yet heard back. Reporting in Lincoln, Ariana Martinez, Channel 8 News.